Pulling over, cardboard flying out of the truck.
I got this.
You got it?
I got it.
He's got it.
Check gauges. This was not secure.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Fucking closer.
It was not secure. I thought it was secure.
What do you think caused a fucking huge accident? Oh, nice. That was weird.
Maybe it just needed a hard reset.
It's been a while. Battery hasn't been out since.
No, I took the battery out.
Yeah,
the whole time.
that's probably why it's fucking doing this, because you're taking the fucking battery out.
I have to. Yeah, we need like a light or something for this thing. You don't have a drop light?
No.
Outside light? Our viewers, you guys, can see. What's up, guys? So as you can see here, get a lot of these bolts out here. See our awesome homemade stands. Working very well. Oh yeah. The welds look amazing in the light.
Shine it more towards mine. It's yours. There you go. Yeah. Just leave the camera right there.
All right. Take a look at it. Put some sexy music. You want to cut it? Done. That one. Take this drive shaft off.
Doesn't look like it would be that hard. You know? On both.
We can get it from the top. The actual header.
Well, I mean, these bolts right here.
Yeah, there's three. There's three,
Mm-hmm.
three on each, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are
So if
super hard to get off because it's been on the exhaust for so long that the heating up and cooling down of it it's like basically impossible to get them off without like PB lube or something like that.
Okay, well then we're just gonna have to cut it.
Well, you can cut it or you can take the header off. I mean, it's up to you.
Yeah,
the
but
header you can get off from the top.
Yeah,
off
but
of
then
the
where's it go from there?
This whole thing, come on.
Yeah, I know, but is it gonna drop down through here?
Yeah, should fit.
Okay. Let's do that.
If not,
It's already 9 o'clock at night.
he wants to unbolt it because late.
That's all. Badass lamp.
It's our studio lighting.
I'm not a lamp guy. Just follow you around. Well, since you got all my tools in your toolbox.
I'm gonna go underneath and pull it up. So we're gonna slide it this way.
It's not gonna come out that way.
Huh?
It's not. You're talking about take the whole thing out this way?
Yeah.
That's gonna fit through there? This is dangerous. Maybe it's not coming out. Yeah. I don't think so at all.
Make some good angles here.
Breaker bar status.
I'm not trying to fuck my fucking hands up, dude. You got it?
Easy.
Yeah, because I know I would hit my hand on that. Going to the VA, all the way down on 6th Street.
Get fixed.
For free. Set it by the other piece.
Like I do.
Alright. Trying to be like Rob. Can I be in your vlog?
David Gilbert.
Alright, what's next?
Drive shaft. So what I'm gonna do is take the drive shaft off here, which is this little baby here. And it'll slide right out, and we'll get this out, and I'll disconnect all the other stuff. Just take all this fucking shift linkage off.
Oh, my eyes are burning. My eyes are burning.
What? Got scared, huh?
Being a baby.
Got scared.
I don't get scared.
Got scared of the screwdriver coming in your face. You take these bolts out. And then the motor's basically ready to get pulled. Literally.
Okay, so let's do it.
What, you want to pull the motor?
Yeah, why not? We're already here.
Okay. You heard it here, folks. He said, why not? We're already here. Famous last words of anybody trying to do anything. What?
Fucking eyes.
Oh. It's okay, bro. You don't have to cry for me. No, it was a traumatic experience. Pull it.
Okay.
Your intro.
About ready to pull this motor.
Get ready, son. This thing's about to come out because it's been way too long. We've been putting it off, and we finally got this little baby over here.
$100.
$100.
Thanks to me. Just got these wheels, man. Watch that cord.
guys. That was the end of us pulling the motor. We're here now. Just chilling, watch TV. But go ahead, go to our YouTube. Shit. This is YouTube, isn't it?
This is what, yeah, it is. Stupid.
Go ahead and like, subscribe, and go ahead and share us too. Put us on Facebook. We need some more followers. Until next time, guys. See you later.